Everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given this question: x squared minus y equals to 31 and y squared minus x is equals to 31. Let's provide solution very quickly, and we have to copy, of course, what we have: x squared minus y equals to 31 and y squared minus x equals to 31. Know that this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what can we do? Subtract this is equation 2 from 1. So what do we have? We have x squared minus y, then here minus y squared minus x will be equals to 31 minus 31. Of course, we have x squared minus y squared plus x. All right, this is what I have here, which is equal to 0. And of course, here we shall write x squared minus y squared here, then of course plus x minus y, which is equal to 0. This is what I have right here. This is the difference of the squares, where you can separate them to get x minus y times x plus y plus x minus y equals to 0. Because we have here x minus y, which is common, we can factorize it. Then x minus y times open bracket of x plus y, then plus 1 close bracket will be equals to 0. At this stage, we have two equations where we have x minus y equals to 0, or x plus y plus 1 will be 0. Of course, here x equals to y, or x plus y will be negative 1, where x only will be negative 1 here minus y. This is what I have right here. And remember what we have given. Remember what we have given is this. I've given an equation where I have x squared minus y, which is equal to 31, and of course we have y squared minus x, which is equal to 31. We're going to choose this equation only, so that remember x squared minus y equals to 31. So, and start from here, we have x which is equals to y, so it means that we have here, we're going to find the value of this, because this one will be y squared, right? Then minus y, which is equal to 31, and of course y squared minus y minus 31 will be 0. So this is a quadratic equation where we can find the value of y1 here, and 2, which is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2, and this is equal to negative 1, negative 1. This is 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 times negative 31 over 2, and this is 1 plus or minus square root of here 1, then plus this is 124 over 2, and of course this will be 1 plus or minus the square root of 125 over 2, and the last one is 1 plus or minus, this is 25 times 5, which is 5 square root of 5 over 2. So y1 and 2 will be 1 plus or minus 5 square root of 5 over 2. And remember that here x is equals to y. If you have y, which is this one, means that the x is equals to this. Here we're going to use this one only, this equation, x squared minus y equals to 31, by plugging the value of x in this equation. So we have x squared minus y equals to 31, and this is the value of x. So we have negative 1 minus y squared minus y equals to 31, and of course this will be negative 1 squared minus here 2 a is equal to negative 1 times b, which is equal to y, then minus y, which is equals to 31. And of course, this will be 1 plus 2y minus y, which is equal to 31. All right, this is what we have right here. So we have 1 here plus y equals to 31. Okay, and of course, this is what we have right here. Remember that. Okay, then here plus 31. But here we have forgot something here. This is as a squared minus b minus 2ab plus here. You have plus y squared. And that's why we have to add plus y squared plus here y squared. So this is will be 1 plus y squared equals to 31. All right, by rearranging y squared plus y, then here will be plus, is it plus, this will be minus 30, will be 0. And of course here we can find two numbers we can multiply together to get 30, negative 30, and there are some will be 1. So we have y squared plus 6y minus 5y minus 30 equals to 0. Then y out to get y plus 6 minus 5 out to get y plus 6 equals to 0. And of course here y minus 5 times y plus 6 will be 0. Then y will be 5, or y here will be negative 6. All right, and then according to the equation that we have, where x equals to negative 1 minus y, all right? So x here, x3, because we have x1 and x2, which is equals to what we have seen right here. Here will be, this is 3 and 4. This will be here negative 1 here by using this one, minus 5. Then x3 here will be negative 6. Whereas here x4 will be negative 1 minus 6. So that this is negative 1 here plus 6, which is equal to 5. So we are supposed to find the value of here x and y, which is equal to, we have here x1 here, which is negative 6, while y is equal to 5, and here will be 5 while the y is equal to negative 6. And of course this will be, while we have this one, we'll have 1 plus 5 square root of 5 over 2, while y is equal to 1 plus 5 square root of 5 over 2. And the fourth one is 1 minus 5 square root of 5 over 2, while the y is 1 minus 5 square root of 5 over 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.